Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule calls on WhatsApp. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp has rolled out a brand new update that makes calling more organized, interactive, and user friendly. From scheduling calls in advance to raising your hand in a group chat, the instant messaging app is making sure conversation flow more smoothly than ever. So how to schedule calls on your WhatsApp? It's very simple, but before that, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. If there is an option to update, you can update it. After that, you can open your WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, you can go to calls, you can go to call logs. Now, you can tap on the plus icon in it. There is an option new call, you can tap on that. And you'll find there is an option schedule call, you can tap on that. And in here, you can add the description like this for the example. Here, so you can choose the time, maybe for 2 days at 6 a.m. Now, have set the time like this. Okay. Now you can choose the call type. You want to make it video call or voice call. Now after that, you can just send it to your to the contact that you want to schedule call. Now you have create. So here's the result. It returns out like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to schedule call on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.